Hello dear students, I hope all of you are doing well. Thanks for joining me on another video. Our today's topic is about cell organelles, so let's start it. So first of all, what are cell organelles? Cell organelles are small structures within cell that perform dedicated functions. There are about a dozen types of organelles commonly found in eukaryotic cell. We will go through the basic facts about important cell organelles. Now starting with nucleus. It is a prominent structure occurring in eukaryotic cells. In animal cells, it is present in the center, while in mature plant cells, due to the formation of large central vacuole, it is pushed to one side. Nucleus is bounded by a double membrane, which is also known as nuclear envelope, and nuclear envelope contains many small pores that enable it to act as a semi-permeable membrane. Inside the nuclear envelope, a granular fluid, that is nucleoplasm, is also present. Nucleoplasm contains one or two nucleoli. Singular, they can be referred as nucleolus and chromosomes. Now, what is nucleolus? It is actually a dark spot, and it is the site where ribosomes are present. And chromosomes, they can only be visible during cell division phase, and during non-dividing phase they can be seen as fine thread-like structures, which are also known as chromatin. Chromosomes are composed of DNA and proteins. We already have discussed about the difference between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell, and we told you that prokaryotic cells, they do not contain a prominent nucleus, and their chromosome is made of DNA only and is submerged in cytoplasm. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are tiny granular structures that are either floating freely in cytoplasm or are bound to endoplasmic reticulum, which is another cell organelle. Now, each ribosome is made up of almost equal amount of proteins and RNA. Ribosomes are not bound by membrane and so are also found in prokaryotes. Eukaryotic ribosomes are slightly larger than prokaryotic ones. Ribosomes are the sites of protein synthesis, which is extremely important to cells, and so large number of ribosomes are found throughout cell. When a ribosome is not working, it disassembles into two smaller units. As you can see in the picture, there is a larger subunit which is attached to a smaller subunit. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are also double membrane bounded structures found only in eukaryotes. They cannot be found in prokaryotic cells. And they're also known as the powerhouse of the cell because they are the major energy production centers. The outer membrane of a mitochondrion is smooth, but the inner membrane forms many enfoldings called cristae, and this serves to increase the surface area of inner membrane on which membrane-bound reactions can take place. Mitochondria have their own DNA and ribosomes. The ribosomes of mitochondria are more similar to bacterial ribosomes than to eukaryotic ribosomes. Plastids are also membrane-bounded organelles that occur only in plant cells. Now, there are three types of plastids. Number 1, chloroplast, number 2, leucoplast, and number 3 is chromoplast. Chloroplast is a double membrane-bounded structure, and they have the inner membrane sacs called thylakoids. Now, what's the difference between chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast? Chloroplast is mostly found in green parts of the plant, whereas chromoplast contain pigments associated with bright colors and present in the cells of flower petals and fruits. Their function is to give colors to these parts and thus help in pollination and dispersal of fruit. Leucoplasts are the third type of plastids. They are colorless and store starch, proteins, and lipids. They are present in the cells of those parts where food is stored. Okay students, that's all about our today's topic. I hope you liked it and it would be really helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and show some support and love. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.